Top 5 Best Spice you should try to flush out toxins and repair kidney. Have you ever wondered why you feel tired, swollen, or uncomfortable even though you drink plenty of water every day? Your kidneys might be full of toxins and struggling to keep up, and most people don't realize this until real problems start showing up. Here's something many people don't think about. Water alone is not always enough to support your kidneys. What you eat every day matters just as much, especially the spices you use in your food. Some spices can help your kidneys flush out waste, reduce stress, and support natural repair in a simple, natural way. In this video, I'm going to share the top 5 best spices you should try if you want to help flush toxins out of your body and support your kidneys to work better and faster. These are common spices, easy to find, and used by people around the world without even knowing how helpful they can be for kidney health. I'll explain why each spice matters, how it helps your kidneys, and how people usually use it in daily meals. One spice on this list is often ignored, but it could make a big difference if your kidneys feel weak or overloaded. Let's start with the first one. Number 1, cinnamon. When people think about cinnamon, they usually think about desserts, coffee, or sweet drinks. But cinnamon is more than just a spice that smells good. For your kidneys, cinnamon can be a quiet helper that works in the background every single day. One of the biggest problems for kidney health is toxin buildup. When your kidneys are under stress, they struggle to filter waste properly. Cinnamon contains natural compounds that support better blood flow and help reduce inflammation in the body. When inflammation goes down, your kidneys do not have to work as hard, and that gives them more space to repair and recover. Another big benefit of cinnamon is blood sugar control. High blood sugar puts extra pressure on the kidneys over time. This is one of the reasons kidney problems are so common in people with diabetes. Studies published in well-known health journals have shown that cinnamon may help improve insulin sensitivity and keep blood sugar more stable. When blood sugar stays balanced, your kidneys are protected from long-term damage. Cinnamon is also very useful for people on kidney-friendly diets. Many kidney patients are told to reduce salt and sugar, which makes food taste boring and hard to enjoy. Cinnamon adds natural sweetness and warmth without adding sodium or sugar. That means you can enjoy better flavor without hurting your kidneys. So how do you actually use cinnamon in real life? The easiest way is to add a small amount to warm drinks like herbal tea or warm water. You can also sprinkle it on oatmeal, plain yogurt, or fruit in the morning. Some people mix a pinch of cinnamon into rice, soup, or cooked vegetables to boost flavor naturally. You do not need a lot. A small amount is enough. For better results, cinnamon works well when combined with other kidney-supporting habits. Drinking enough water, eating fresh foods, and avoiding too much processed food helps cinnamon do its job better. Some people also combine cinnamon with ginger or turmeric in cooking, which can support overall detox and reduce stress on the kidneys. The key thing to remember is this: cinnamon is not a magic cure, but when used regularly and correctly, it can be a simple and powerful tool to help flush toxins and support kidney repair over time. Number 2, turmeric. Turmeric is one of those spices almost everyone has seen, but very few people truly understand how powerful it can be for kidney health. Most people use turmeric just to add color to food, but inside this bright yellow spice is something much deeper that your kidneys can really benefit from. The main active compound in turmeric is called curcumin. This compound has been studied for years and is known for its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Why does that matter for your kidneys? Because kidney stress often comes from long-term inflammations and toxin overload. When inflammation stays high, kidney tissues can slowly get damaged. Turmeric helps calm that inflammation, which gives your kidneys a better chance to rest and repair. Another important benefit of turmeric is its role in supporting detox. Your kidneys work closely with your liver to remove waste from the body. Research published in trusted health journals shows that curcumin may help protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. This means fewer toxins sticking around and less damage over time. When your kidneys are under less attack, they can filter blood more efficiently. Turmeric is also very helpful for people following kidney-friendly diets. Since sodium is usually limited, food can taste flat and boring. Turmeric adds deep flavor and rich color without adding salt. This makes meals more enjoyable while still staying safe for kidney health. Enjoying food matters more than people think because it helps you stay consistent with healthy eating. So how do you actually use turmeric the right way? One simple way is to add a small amount to soups, stews, rice, or cooked vegetables. You can also mix turmeric into warm water or herbal tea. Some people make a simple turmeric drink by mixing it with warm water and a little black pepper. Black pepper is important because it helps your body absorb curcumin much better. Turmeric also works best when combined with healthy habits and other kidney-supporting spices. Many people combine turmeric with ginger or cinnamon in cooking. This combination can support blood flow, reduce inflammation, and help your body flush toxins more smoothly. Drinking enough water and avoiding processed foods helps turmeric do its job even better. The key thing to remember is consistency. Turmeric is not a fast miracle, but when used regularly in small amounts, it can quietly support kidney repair and protect your kidneys from long-term damage. Number 3, black pepper. Black pepper looks simple, almost boring. It's on every table in every kitchen, and most people never think twice about it. But when it comes to kidney health, black pepper plays a much bigger role than people realize. One of the biggest challenges for people with kidney issues is cutting back on salt. Salt puts extra pressure on the kidneys and can lead to fluid buildup and higher blood pressure. The problem is, once salt goes down, food starts tasting flat. This is where black pepper becomes extremely valuable. Just a small amount adds depth, warmth, and a gentle heat that makes food satisfying again without adding sodium or harmful minerals. But black pepper does more than improve taste. Its active compound, called piperine, has been studied for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation and oxidative stress are two major reasons kidney tissues slowly get damaged over time. By helping reduce these issues, black pepper supports your kidneys so they can focus on filtering toxins more efficiently instead of fighting constant stress. Another important benefit of black pepper is how it helps your body absorb nutrients better. Research from respected nutrition and medical sources shows that piperine can improve the absorption of other helpful compounds, especially those found in spices like turmeric. This means when black pepper PL used together with other kidney-friendly spices, the benefits can be stronger and more effective. So how should you use black pepper in daily life? The key is moderation. You don't need a lot. A light sprinkle on cooked vegetables, eggs, soups, rice, or lean protein is enough. Freshly ground black pepper is usually better because it keeps more of its natural oils. Adding it near the end of cooking helps keep the flavor strong without becoming bitter. Black pepper works especially well when combined with turmeric, ginger, or garlic. This combination not only boosts flavor, but also supports circulation, digestion, and detox pathways that take pressure off the kidneys. Many people find that using these spices together helps them stick to a low-sodium diet long-term, which is one of the most important steps for protecting kidney health. The main takeaway here is simple. Black pepper may look basic, but it helps make kidney-friendly eating realistic and enjoyable. When food tastes good, you are more likely to stay consistent, and consistency is what truly helps your kidneys flush toxins and repair over time. If this video is helping you, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. If you have any questions or problems, drop them in the comments and I'll check them. And tell me this, if you've tried at least one of these 5 spices before, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. Number 4, ginger. Ginger is one of those spices you notice right away. It has that warm, slightly spicy kick that wakes up your mouth. But beyond flavor, ginger has been used for a very long time to support digestion, circulation, and detox, all of which matter a lot when we talk about kidney health. One of the biggest benefits of ginger is its natural anti-inflammatory power. Kidney stress often comes from inflammation inside the body. When inflammation stays high, your kidneys have to work harder to filter waste and balance fluids. Ginger contains active compounds like gingerol that help calm this inflammation. When the body's calmer on the inside, your kidneys can focus more on cleaning toxins instead of fighting constant stress. Ginger is also known for supporting circulation. Better blood flow means your kidneys receive oxygen and nutrients more easily. This helps kidney tissues stay healthy and repair themselves over time. Some research published in trusted medical and nutrition journals suggests that ginger may help protect kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, which is one of the hidden causes of kidney decline. Another reason ginger is so useful is how it helps with digestion and fluid balance. When digestion works well, fewer toxins build up in the body. This takes pressure off the kidneys. Ginger also supports natural sweating and urination, which are both ways the body removes waste. This gentle detox effect makes ginger a smart choice for long-term kidney support. From a cooking point of view, ginger is perfect for kidney-friendly diets. It adds strong flavor without salt. That means you can skip sodium-heavy sauces and still enjoy your meals. A small amount of ginger goes a long way, so you don't need much to notice the taste. So how do you use ginger safely and effectively? Fresh ginger can be sliced or grated into soups, stir-fried vegetables, or warm dishes. You can also make ginger tea by adding a few thin slices to hot water. For cooking, dried ginger powder works well too. The key is to use small amounts regularly instead of large amounts once in a while. Ginger also works great when combined with other kidney-supporting spices like turmeric and black pepper. Turmeric helps reduce inflammation, black pepper improves absorption, and ginger improves circulation. Together, they create a simple spice combo that supports detox and takes stress off your kidneys. The main takeaway is this: ginger doesn't just make food taste better. When used consistently, it helps reduce inflammation, support detox, and make kidney-friendly eating easier to stick with, which is exactly what your kidneys need over time. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic is one of the most trusted and widely used ingredients when it comes to eating healthier, especially for people who need to protect their kidneys. It has a strong, savory flavor that instantly makes food taste rich and satisfying, even when salt is removed. That alone makes garlic extremely valuable for kidney-friendly cooking. From a kidney health point of view, one of the biggest risks is high blood pressure. When blood pressure stays high for a long time, it damages the tiny blood vessels inside the kidneys and slowly reduces their ability to filter waste. Garlic has been studied in many well-known health and nutrition reports for its ability to help support healthy blood pressure levels. By helping blood vessels relax and improve circulation, garlic reduces pressure on the kidneys and helps preserve normal kidney function. Garlic also contains natural sulfur compounds, such as allicin, which are known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds help protect kidney cells from damage caused by toxins and oxidative stress. When your kidneys are exposed to fewer harmful compounds, they can focus more on flushing waste and repairing tissue instead of fighting constant damage. Another reason garlic is so helpful is its role in detox support. Garlic helps activate enzymes in the liver that assist in removing toxins from the body. Since the liver and kidneys work closely together, this reduces the overall toxin load your kidneys have to deal with. Less toxin pressure means better long-term kidney health. In daily cooking, garlic is very easy to use. Fresh garlic can be chopped or crushed and added to vegetables, soups, rice, or lean protein dishes. Cooking garlic lightly helps keep its flavor strong without making it bitter. Garlic powder can also be used, but it's important to choose versions without added salt. A small amount is enough to make a big difference in taste. Garlic works especially well when combined with other kidney-supporting spices like ginger, turmeric, and black pepper. Ginger improves circulation, turmeric helps calm inflammation, and black pepper improves absorption. Together, they create meals that are flavorful, satisfying, and supportive of kidney health without relying on salt or processed sauces. The most important thing to understand is this: garlic is not just about flavor. By helping control blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and support detox, garlic plays a powerful role in helping your kidneys flush toxins and stay strong over time. When you look at this list, the most important thing to understand is this: these spices are not rare, expensive, or hard to use. Cinnamon, turmeric, black pepper, ginger, and garlic are simple tools that help your kidneys in different ways. Some help reduce inflammation, some help support blood flow and blood pressure, some help your body remove toxins more smoothly, and together they make kidney-friendly eating easier to stick with. The real power is not using one spice one time. The real power is using small amounts consistently, day after day. When your meals taste good without relying on salt or sugar, your kidneys feel less pressure, and that gives them more room to repair and work better over time. These small choices may look simple, but they add up faster than most people think. If you care about your kidneys, start with what you already have in your kitchen. Use these spices the smart way. Keep your meals balanced and let your body do what it was designed to do. Watch the next video to learn how to use these spices the right way every day.